Good Saturday, everyone. So this is the one with sound. I have discovered why that happens from time to time. Whenever I unhook the microphone, OBS changes my settings. That's okay, because now I know how to now I know to look out for that. So if you missed it this morning, you probably just saw the graphics, but it is good to be back home. And I had a good trip to DC and got back just in time to track the storms as they moved into the area last night. I had some wind damage reports over around Nashville, but I've not seen any storm reports from our neck of the woods, and so we can be very thankful for that. It never did look like a big deal, but you can't take your eyes off any threat this time of the year for sure, or any time of the year for that matter. Big changes are on the way. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our weather headlines. Bitter cold air coming by Sunday night, and that'll linger with us right on into Monday and Monday night. First light snow of the season possible Sunday to Monday. First freeze of the season. I mean, we're just going to cover all the bases. Highs only in the 30s for Monday. We will struggle to get to freezing. So big changes on the way. Today's level of concern, level 0. No weather worries. After that morning fog burned off, we're all good. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. And my goodness, look at that. Partly cloudy today, just a light west breeze. Highs in the mid 60s. Get outside if you can, because my goodness, tomorrow the bottom drops out. The winds switch out of the northwest at 15, gusting to at least 25. And yes, you see that right. PM snow showers. Temperatures starting out the day in the low to mid 40s. But by noon, you're going to be like, man, a cold front has come through. Temperatures are going to start falling through the 30s, dropping all the way down to 21 degrees for Sunday night. Monday looks mostly cloudy now, with northwest winds continuing at 15, gusting to 25. We may get to freezing. 30% chance for flurries, maybe a snow shower. Very cold, dropping down into the mid-teens by Monday night. Veterans Day, the winds switch back out of the southwest, and as quickly as we dropped in temperature, we're going to start rising back up again. Low 40s for highs on Tuesday, mid-50s by Wednesday. So if you don't like the cold, just board up Sunday and Monday and come back out on Wednesday. So anyways, at least it's a short-lived cold spell. Just make sure you keep those outside fur babies in mind. Make sure they've got a dry, warm bed that's out of the wind, because this is going to be quite the shock for them. It's going to be a shock for all of us, but if you're outside, like our outside fur babies, and it will be quite the shock. Hourly precip chances, not until after 9 p.m. do we start seeing a chance for a shower, peaking out at a 30% chance between the hours of 1 and 4 a.m. before trailing back down. That's a cold front coming through. And behind that is when things start to really plummet. I think it'll be closer to like late morning, like the 10 a.m. to noon time, that you're going to really start feeling the colder air come in. So the cold air will be a little bit behind it, but yeah, it's on the way. Winter outlook, can you believe this already? Yes, a low threat for snow and a low threat for dangerously cold temperatures. The reason why I have the threat for dangerously cold temperatures is because we're just not used to this yet. Going from 65 for a high today to 16 for a low Monday night, that's going to be a shock. Make sure you've got things winterized and that you're ready for that kind of a temperature drop. So M&M's forecast snowfall totals, medium confidence in a ½ inch or less. That'll be confined to grassy areas and elevated surfaces. The ground is still warm. It's early in the season. It's still only November. But nevertheless, those elevated surfaces and grassy areas, they cool off quick no matter what. So that'll be the areas most likely to see some accumulation. And these will be scattered snow showers. So if you get more snow showers than someone else, then you'll get a little bit more snow than someone else. If you miss out on all the snow showers, you won't get anything. So ½ inch or less is the way it looks right now. Weichert Realtors bringing us our extended threats. Got another system coming the beginning of next week that I'll keep an eye on. Could be another roller coaster ride. B&H Storm Shelters bringing us our On This Day in History. 1870, the first storm warning was issued. What an interesting time there. 1957, an F2 tornado hits near Pulaski on the ground for 5 miles. No one's injured. 1918, some history for our neighbors in Fentress County. Corporal Alvin York single-handedly captured 132 Germans and killed another 25 during this offensive in World War I. So what a beautiful day to head up to Alvin C. York and check out all that history. It's right up in northern Fentress County. Beautiful drive, beautiful scenery, and a wonderful day to get out and check that stuff out. You folks have a wonderful Saturday. Keep looking up. I'll have a special update this evening to give you all the latest on the snow, wind, and cold coming for Sunday and Monday. You just download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's free in your app store. Check out the website, meteorologistmark.com.